if you want to turn on Gemini on the Google Pixel 10 Pro, it's actually quite simple. Just start by opening Google Play Store, then go into the search, and you have to make sure that you have Gemini on your phone and also that you have the latest version. And now you can just click open. If you want to wake Gemini with voice commands, you can also do this by clicking on the right upper corner. And now scroll to the settings and simply select Hey Google and the voice match. Just make sure that you have turned on that feature. And now you can say Hey Google, and it's gonna pop up at the bottom of the screen and it will start listening to everything that you are talking. And also there's option to talk straight to the Gemini by clicking on the right bottom corner, so we can turn on a live Gemini. And now as you can see, when the voice is detected, you can see some changes in this animation. Now when you click here, we will turn it off. So let's ask some question. What is the weather tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be cloudy with a high of 24 degrees and a low.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for this video.